Good morning, friends. So today's date is 24th August 2020. Now time is around 9:25. I am trying to find out for the best script to trade. Actually, I took position in Apollo Hospitals for at the price of 1685 with a 50 quantity. This is not expected, but my hope is middle band. It's highly impossible that this particular trade will close in loss because I am sure this will not cross the middle band because it got rejected 4 times. If you see the screen, as expected, you see it is coming down. So it is part of the price action trading. I just drawn the trend line. As per that, also it should come down. Let's see. We should not be panic when we see the trade in red. We should be confident enough to stay in the race to come out with profits. While taking position itself, we do decide the stop loss based on our risk factor. So that is the reason I didn't close it. Now it came down to 200, 160, around that. Because today itself almost 3 times it got rejected from the middle band. So that is the reason I am very much confident it will come down and it will give the profit. That is what you are seeing on the screen now. Before we saw almost 400 plus as the loss. Now it recovered almost, and we are going and coming back from the profits. Let's see. Again and again it is respecting the trend line, which means there is a jump. There will be a jump in nearby time. Yes, 300 profit touched. I think it's good time to place an order. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to place an order at 1680. I didn't execute it till now. Yes, done. Thank you very much. This is our trade for today. If you like this video, kindly comment, like, and share. Thank you for your support. I hope we will meet again tomorrow. Thank you very much.